singer. And I'm a great wrestler. And I'm a great actor.
And you're good. And you're good.
And I'm damn good looking. Thank you, Kay. Thank you, Kay. Just like the rest of us here in Trifecta, we are damn good looking, and you people are lucky to even be looking at us in full form. Once again.
She really likes me.
Oh.
Mathayus' mom. She loves me.
Oh. Well, later on tonight, you're not going to like him too much when he's kicking your son's carcass all over this place in front of all these idiots that came to Smitty K's. Oh, by the way, how is everyone? Oh, wait a minute. Maybe I shouldn't have called them idiots prior to asking that. Okay, gotta work on timing. That is fine. But like I said, Trifecta is back, everybody. Great news. Okay, seriously? That was... never mind to doing that ever again. Anyway, as I said, and tonight, let's go over our opponents. We've got, well, we have already mentioned Mathayus. Dookie. He's Dookie. Then we have, was it the Canadian Dragon, Shimbashi? Like I said, oh, he's already taken care of him once. Gonna have to do it once again, and so has Mr. Chulo. So have I, for that matter. He's been swept. He's done. And besides, dragons don't exist. Because Trifecta rules. And this is the USA, not Canada. So he doesn't have a chance anyway. Just like in the Olympics. I'm gonna pretend I didn't hear that because she's kind of on the right track. But getting back to business. Trifecta business, and there's one last jackass that's on that team that's facing us tonight. Kool, Daddi, Denzell. Oh wait, I'm sorry.
Yeah, no,
Is it? Is it that? Okay, are we doing good so far? Is it like 3 of Denzell's are here right now? Yes. Damn straight. So, we're gonna take care of that poison, that disease later on tonight, and that's basically the only thing you guys are here for, because we are the show of shows. Trifecta, baby, nothing's better. We are back in full form, and you guys love it, so let me hear ya. They love us. Hit our music. Look at that shirt. Isn't that beautiful?
Thanks for watching Lions Pride Sports on YouTube. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Plus, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. For the very latest on Lions Pride Sports, visit our website, lionsprideproductions.com. You'll also find information on the Lions Den training facility there.